Hello, today's topic?
At the beach.
What a beautiful day at the beach.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
I love the sound of the waves.
So relaxing, isn't it?
Absolutely. And the sand feels nice.
Do you want to go for a swim?
I'm not sure. Is the water cold?
No, it's quite warm today.
Then let's go for it.
Okay, let's go together.
Be careful of the strong currents.
I'll stay close to the shore.
Good idea. Safety first.
Wow, the water is so refreshing.
I told you it would be nice.
You were right. Thanks for convincing me.
No problem. It's fun to swim together.
Look, I found a seashell.
It's so pretty. Let's collect more.
We can make a souvenir collection.
That's a fantastic idea.
I love spending time at the beach.
Me too. It's my favorite place.
We should come here more often.
Definitely. It's good for our souls.
I agree. Nature has a calming effect.
Let's enjoy every moment here.
Yes, let's cherish this time together.
What a perfect day at the beach.
Absolutely, it couldn't be better.
Vocabulary.
Beach. Weather. Waves. Relaxing. Sand. Swim. Water. Cold. Warm. Together. Shore. Safety. Seashell. Souvenir. Favorite. Cherish. Nature. Effect. Perfect. Fantastic.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.